Skin calf. Perfect time to get that rapid release, huh? People love this, huh? It's so relaxing. Relax the shoulder. You got it before it thrusted. All right, relax the shoulder, relax the neck. Is that what you wanted? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Ready? Mm-hmm. I have a feeling this is gonna be epic. And it's gonna go with what socks I'm wearing right now. Relax. Right there. Drop left shoulder. Are you curious? Snap, crackle, pop.